Hi, I'm John Archer, Senior Product Manager with ABB over our connectivity and grounding product lines. Today I want to talk to you about the Sta-Kon Plus Premium Terminal Kit. This kit is perfect for electrical contractors, service truck fleets, and even OEMs such as panel builders. Inside the kit are premium nylon Sta-Kon terminals, including a variety of sizes of ring and fork terminals, male and female disconnects, and even splices. Also included in the kit are premium wire strippers and one of the best reviewed hand crimp tools on the market, our ergonomic ERG 4001. This kit has everything needed to make the perfect wire termination. For more information, contact your local ABB sales rep.